Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Selamat pagi, Bapak dan Ibu sekalian. The country exchange is all about sharing knowledge, exchanging lessons and best practices, and furthering the community of practice of national implementing entities. The theme of this country exchange is ecosystem-based adaptation, which aligns with the global efforts to address climate change resilience.
Today, we will not only have the support from the Indonesian governments and the adaptation fund, but we also expect the support from you all, because we want to learn more for the experience that you have done in your own countries. We will go to Pekalongan. Pekalongan is in the coast, so we will see the impact of sea level rise and the land subsidence.
Many entities that are accredited to the fund are also having this success in their experience, and I think the opportunity to exchange these good practices between each other is a great chance to build our capacities more, to access more funds from the adaptation fund, and also to implement better and more efficient the projects that are currently under implementation.
I think I will learn more about ecosystem-based adaptation project when we go to the field, so that I can see the best practices which I can take back to my country to implement. It is important because it helps to make ecosystem to be resilient as well as local communities.
Indonesia is a country that faces massive challenges from climate change, from sea level rise, from rainfall patterns, from floods, from droughts, everything that you can imagine. So we're really pleased that we can have this country exchange here to see also the very innovative solutions that our Indonesian partners, including the Indonesian government, are taking to confront this challenge.
Pekalongan is a real example of the impact of climate change. So we will try to make a breakwaters, and also we are going to enrich the mangroves around here.
We now appreciate the ecosystems-based adaptation more from just this experience. It's eye-opening because we are used to our own scenario, thinking there is so much that can be done. All we need to do is really try and learn from other people and try and improve or adapt or adopt what other people are already doing. But it's quite interesting.
Selain yang untuk pembangunan breakwater maupun penanaman mangrove, juga untuk peningkatan ekonomi masyarakat. Ada pelatihan-pelatihan terutama terkait dengan budidaya ikan yang ramah lingkungan, silvofishery, yaitu budidaya ikan yang dipadukan dengan mangrove maupun rumput laut ataupun juga dengan udang.
Behind of me, the mangrove are planted in here, and we use the bamboo method. And this method is for protecting the roots of the mangroves by the seawater. In 1 year, 95% surviving. Planting mangrove is helping the livelihoods by creating the habitats.
In Pekalongan, in Indonesia, when we visited the sub-district Diago, we had seen these bamboo planters, and then definitely this is something I take back to my country, because facing similar situations, similar problems of high tidal waves, this is an innovation that actually cuts usage of resources, both finances and time. In another sub-district we had seen is the pen and cage culture of mud crabs and tilapia fish. This is again something that we are doing it, but yeah, we can do it in a slightly different way. We have learned yesterday.
One of the things that was very, very interesting, the fact that Indonesia has tried to devolve climate action up to the village level through the village climate change program, which I found very interesting, and it's something worth studying to see whether we can be able to replicate it in Kenya and other countries.
Me interesa mucho ver la forma de gestión de Kemitraan como NIE, ¿no? Me pareció bastante interesante. He encontrado muchas similitudes, pero también diferencias con cómo venimos desarrollando en Profonampe, y lo que también es súper importante, ¿no? Porque en realidad también esto responde mucho a la naturaleza de cómo es la gestión pública, la privada, cómo viene siendo el relacionamiento con todos los actores también locales, ¿no?
We can learn from each other. We can talk even outside the sessions. We have a lot of talks with different peoples on their different interventions, problems, solutions. So a lot of knowledge and learning sharing is there. So this is actually important for us like IEs, because we are also developing projects for the adaptation fund.
Ecosystem-based solutions are very important in different kinds of environments, from mountains to coral reefs and everything in between. That's clearly a trend that's increasing since the recent few years. It's really wonderful to see how these people facing similar challenges but never seeing each other's challenges firsthand are able to use this opportunity to directly compare notes.